going to revise the chapter 9. I'm going to attend most important question according to board point of view. The given angle of elevation is 60 degree and distance from the wall base is 3 meter. Find the height of a ladder. Okay, let the height of the wall be h meter and right angle triangle form sin 60 is equal to h by hypotenuse. 60 की sin 60 की वैल्यू लिख दी अंडर रूट 3/2 इज इक्वल टू h by hypotenuse, where hypotenuse की वैल्यू हम फाइंड कर रहे हैं 2h by अंडर रूट 3 using Pythagoras theorem. H hypotenuse is equal to h square plus 3 square, where value of hypotenuse what we get, here we put 2h by under root 3 bracket square is equal to h square plus 9. h की वैल्यू क्या आ गई, h is equal to under root 27 which is 3 under root 3 meter. Therefore the height of ladder is 3 under root 3 meter. Let us move to question number 2. Tower from the point on the ground. The angle of elevation is 45 degree. Distance from the base is 100. The height of the tower. Same kind of a question. Let the height is h. In the right angle triangle form, tan 45 is equal to h by 100. tan 45 का वैल्यू 1 is equal to h by 100. h की वैल्यू 100 meter. Therefore height of the tower is 100 meter. Clear? Next question 3. Here is question 3. This build from the point on ground. The given angle of elevation is 30 degree. Height of building is 50 meter. Distance from the building. Let the distance from the building is d meter. In the right angle triangle form, tan 30 is equal to 50 by d. 1 by tan 30 का 1 by under root 3 is equal to 50 by d. d की वैल्यू निकालेंगे. Therefore the distance from the building is 50 under root 3 meter. Clear? Next question 4. The tower and angle of the depression. The given height of the tower is 100 meter. The angle of depression is 30 and 45 meter. Distance between the 2 points. Let distance from the base of the tower to the 2 points x and y meet with x being a shortest distance. In the right angle triangle, tan 30 is equal to tan 100 by x. X is equal to 100 under root 3 meter. Tan 45 100 by y. Y is equal to 100 meter. Therefore, the distance between the two points is 100 and minus 100 under root 3 meter. तो पॉइंट के बीच का डिफरेंस x और y के बीच का y माइनस है इज दिस इज